joint participant and you're here at the venue. Today we are going to have so-called developer speedrunning contests. So we have 4 participants, last dev standing wins. So give a great applause to, first of all, Sandeep. Hello. Can you tell us something about yourself?
Hey,
Quick intro.
Yeah, my name is Sandeep. I'm working on a dev tool which will help you do better Solidity coding.
Thank you. Okay, up next, David. Hi, David.
Hi. Something about me, I'm from Colombia, blockchain developer.
Woo! Up next, Juan Palomino. Here we go.
What's up, everybody? My name is Juan. I'm a blockchain dev, and I'm looking for clients.
Fantastic. And last but not least, Sinobite 321. Hello, man.
Hello, my name is Sinobite321. That's how you find me everywhere. But my name is Luis. I work as a backend engineer at Bitso.
Thank you.
Cryptocurrency exchange.
Cool. Can we Can we switch the slide, please? So, quick housekeeping rules. Okay, so competition format. We have 1 Solidity task per round. We have 4 rounds and 4 participants. So 3 mandatory rounds, and we will see about the bonus round, just for fun. So 1 Solidity task per round. We are looking for the fastest working solution. So gas efficiency is not a problem. Optimization, memory storage, that stuff, not a problem. But if there's an edge case that the guys haven't covered, they need to repeat their solution, okay? And they need to be the fastest. So whoever finished last, get kicked out, okay? Last dev standing wins. I code that term. Okay. So, guys, first of all, we are going to present the first challenge. Are you all set up? Sorry. Your environment, everything? Okay, cool. So, we are going to present the first challenge. You're going to maybe think about it for a minute. On my mark, you're going to start with the coding, okay? No coding up front. Cool. So, Sandeep is using hard-hat, right? Yes. Palomino hard-hat, David hard-hat, and we have Remix ID over here. Fantastic. So 3 hard-hat setups, 1 remix. You can use whatever you want. So the setup is totally up to them. You can write this code even on a piece of paper if you want. Whatever is like the fastest method for you. Okay, are we all ready? Richard, the first challenge. Okay, so the challenge number 1, you can see it over here, is to create a Solidity function that takes an array of unsigned 256 numbers, unsigned integers, and returns both the minimum and the maximum numbers in that order. So if we have array consists of numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, the function needs to return number 1 and number 5, minimum, maximum, okay? Same thing applies to the next example. Third one, edge case, really nice edge case. If we have function that have only array consists of 1 element, number 1, that number 1 is both minimum and maximum value. So this is the edge case you need to care about. Okay? Are we all set? Okay, on my marks, ready, set, go! So we are currently seeing the screen from the participant number 1. He's inside the Remix ID. He's using Solidity by example as a template. Really nice. Okay, we're going to have for loop now inside this smart contract. So, okay, so looping, again, not the most efficient solution, but we're looking for the fastest one. Okay, we're now at David's screen, who's using hard-hat. Contract name min-max, he's coding his first function. Okay, he's using the latest version of Solidity. Okay, we're now gonna see Juan's screen. So Juan already have a lot of code over there. This is the default contract from hard-hat. He's now gonna expand it with his function. So to remind you, we're only looking for the 1 function, min-max, which is gonna take an array of unsigned integers, so unsigned numbers, and return both minimum and maximum value in that order. Okay, there's an edge case if we only have one element in the array. So that's both minimum and maximum value. Okay? Now we are looking still at Juan's screen, and we are now at Sandeep's IDE. So he's using hardhat as well. Okay, this is an if loop, for if statement inside the for loop. Very nice, very nice. He has two local variables, smallest and biggest, both set to 0 at the beginning. This is a good start because he can later adjust those values inside the logic of his function. Okay, so we're currently in the first challenge of the developer speedrunning contest. I have Richard over here helping and Harry over there. You know all the guys, famous DAs, and we are now looking still at the Sandeep's screen. So he's coding inside hardhat using a light IDE, okay. Yeah, let's go back to David's screen. Is this David's screen? No, Juan, David's screen. Okay, we're at David's. So he has two variables as well, min and max. He's coding his for loop right now. He's gonna loop through all of the array elements which are passed as a function arguments, and gonna try to decide which of those values are minimum and maximum. So we have prizes for all of the participants, but for the winner, we have a grand prize, which is still a mystery to all of them. So we'll see what the fastest Solidity dev will get. Okay, let's see. Sinowai 3, 2, 1 screens. Okay, he's coding his for loop. So you can see that he is looping to every single array. He has an if statement where he compares the current element from the array. You can see it, sorry. The current element from the array with the maximum value, local maximum value, and also with the minimum value. See? Okay, he's gonna maybe go to Solidity by example one more time. Hell yeah, I'm using Solidity by example all the time. Really good website with really good templates. You know, when you want to quickly dirty check something, Remix plus Solidity by example is a great website. So shout out to the creators of that website. So yeah, he checked the proper syntax for arrays. That's actually a good tactic because in the speed you can maybe miss I don't know, like parentheses or something. So there's like a difference between static and dynamic arrays in Solidity. Syntax-wise and like logic-wise, so this was a good tactic from one of our contestants. Okay, let's see what Sandeep is doing now. Thank you, Richard. Oh, I love it. So he has some UI as well. So this is going to help me with testing for sure, with validating solutions. Thank you very much. Okay, so yeah, this is some JavaScript code to be shown on the front end. He just shared. It's on localhost 3000, so don't worry about that. I assume he's already done with the Solidity part. We will see that. So I wasn't paying attention to his screen. But yeah, this looks really promising. Looks like he already deployed his smart contract, so that's a good start. Let's go to David's screen now. Okay. David is also in hardhat. So he has his min-max function. He is looping through the array. He has his if condition. Really nice. Don't cheat. Kidding. You can watch each other's screens. I mean, like, it's okay. Sorry?
Sorry, what are the test cases?
Just when you're ready, deploy it locally into Remix and raise your hand. That's it. No, so this is the challenge. He was looking for a way for me to show that he's done. Okay, so test cases also up to you. In Remix, so obviously it's easy. We can just, you know, like, deploy it locally and run the functions. So whenever you're done, just raise your hand, and then I'll judge the submissions. If something's wrong with the submission, you have still time to continue working on your solution. Sounds good? Okay. Yes?
Let me just check one.
Yeah. No worries. So we're currently looking at a remix ID. So it looks like he's already done. Final checks. This is really nice. Okay.
I think this case of the one is already done, and in normal case it's done here also.
Okay.
3, 2. And the max is 6, means 2.
You're done?
I think I'm
Okay. Applause for the man. I'll now quickly check your solution. Okay.
Yeah.
So you deployed your smart. Okay. So param, if min, if max, min, max. Okay.
There's probably something that I'm not looking at.
No worries. So we're gonna do this like this. Okay. May I?
Yeah. It's a Spanish keyboard.
Oh, can you open just me array really quickly? So type 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's call the function. Okay, min 1, 5. Let's now do 1 really quickly. Okay, you're advanced to the next round. Congrats.
Thank you.
You can sit, yeah. So we have the first finalist. Okay, give applause to the man. Thank you very much. Okay, so we're now looking at Juan's screen. Okay, so Juan, as I said, working in hard hat. He has his own function called min max output. Really nice. So he has a counter, he has low and high value. There's a loop. Okay. I see some counter from Open Zeppelin, but he's gonna delete that. Really nice. It's totally up to you how we're gonna code everything. So Sandeep as well switched to Remix. So Sandeep, whenever you're ready with Solidity, you can raise your hand, and then like the UI stuff and testing doesn't include, So we can test it later. Don't worry about that. Looks like the Remix ID is the way to go for these speedrunning challenges. Okay, so he has contract called token. Okay, really quickly copy and pasting. I like that. Okay, take it, smallest, biggest. Oh, this is really nice touch. So this is the highest possible value of this type in Solidity. This is really nice touch. Congrats. We had something similar at the previous participant, but this is really well written. Personal opinion. Okay, so there's a loop, there's checks, there's return statement, and he's currently compiling his contract. He's testing before like final submission. That's good. We're gonna watch his compilation together. Okay, there's a warning, I think, but we don't care about warnings. Like we're caring about the fastest working solution. That's it. Okay, there's a test. If you can see on the left side of the screen, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so yeah, this code needs tiny adjustments to make it work. I hope also the online participants are having fun. We did our best to share the screen with you so you can watch it online and see these guys in action. They're fantastic. They visit us also at Developer Day on Tuesday, so we did some test runs. There was like a pre-qualify round for these contents. And also, just a reminder for all of you, tomorrow we're going to organize the Hacker House. So you can stop by, sign up via links you can find on our socials. See if there's still rooms left, because like a lot of devs already signed up. But it's going to be awesome. We're going to have games tomorrow, scavenger hunt, a bit advanced tutorials, workshops, all of that stuff. So if you all for that, please do come. So, okay, Sandeep is done. Cool. Can we see Sandeep's screen really quickly? Applause. Applause for the man. Yeah. Okay. So we are gonna take it 5, 1, 3. That's fine. Okay. So the min value is 1. Highest is 5. Very good. We can just now, may I? Do with one element. 1. That's it. Congrats. Give an applause to Sandeep. We have a second finalist, and now we have a battle between, I will say two friends, but I'm not sure. So David and Juan, okay, this is personal, I guess. So these two guys are battling between themselves for the third place in the finals. Okay, this is allowed. So you can watch each other's screens, no worries. I mean, we're not policemen here. So we're looking for the fastest working solution. However you're gonna come to it, it's totally up to you. So this is a valid tactic for sure. Okay, so hardhat deploy plugin. Okay, so this means that he's already done probably. He's just want to deploy his contract for testing. So hardhat deploy, really nice plugin. So you can, in hardhat, you can deploy your smart contract by creating your custom scripts using JavaScript or TypeScript, or you can use this plugin, which have a bunch of extra functionalities like verifying your contract on Sourceify, for example, and stuff like that. So pretty useful plugin. Again, it's totally up to you how you're gonna deploy your smart contracts, but that's what David is doing right now. So let's see, we're looking at his screen right now. So this is this is TypeScript file. Cool. So he's creating his own deploy.ts script. Let's see how we can test his solution really quickly. Also, Juan is making progress, creating his for loop, if statements. You can see 2 conditions with if statements. I mean, this part is fairly easy, right? But the edge case is what bugs them. I know, sorry, but we need to make it a bit harder than it's supposed to be. Okay, so we have local variables called low-high counter, and the input, which is an in-memory array. So this is more efficient. Okay, I like that. So he's looping through the array, has 2 if conditions, and he is assigning values to those local variables, and he's trying to return them. Done? Who said done? No? Okay, okay. Almost, almost. Yeah? Okay, give me an applause. Okay, can we test it? Oh no, he has a compile error. Yeah, there's a red line just, yeah. Thanks, Rachel, for noticing. Yeah. He's not done. Okay, let's wait a bit. Oh, David switched to remix. Oh, photo finish. Compiling. Will this compile? David? Compiling. Downloading Salt's compiler. Okay. Let's see. Still compiling. Come on. We're waiting for compilation. Because the first time Remix has some time to compile because it needs to download the source compiler locally. So after that, it's going to be really fast. But because he changed his environment, done? Okay, can we test it? Yeah? That was confident. Okay, sorry.
Oh, how am I going to test it? Yeah, I didn't write a test.
That's right, go to Remix. Just copy paste it.
Can you go to Remix? Yeah.
I just learned how to use Remix yesterday.
Okay. I mean, if you have like a test in hardhat, just run yarn test and console log everything. We don't need to use Remix if you want. There's an error at David's screen, so he's not done yet. If it's easier for you, just run a yarn test and console log the outputs. That also works for me. Whatever is easiest for you.
But he didn't write a test.
There's like a default one. So you can just... You see? Because you're using contract lock,
so
there's like default one. You can just call another function and console log everything. Okay. JavaScript console log, but that works. Okay. And David has still a compile error. Yes, something's wrong with the syntax. Okay, yeah, remix fine. Okay, we're just now gonna validate Juan's solution. If that's it, we're gonna proceed to the next round. Just a final judgment, please. Let's see. Yeah. Right now. Command S. Yeah, okay. Go to deploy tab. Yeah, you're good. Yeah? Deploy? Okay. Open lock. Yeah. So, pass an array 1 to 3, please. Hit the orange button. Can you change to be a view function, yeah, please? Because we can, after public, yeah, because we can look it from the terminal as well, but this is just easier for the remix. Thank you very much. Redeploy contract, please. Yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. All good, all good. You already deployed, yeah. Scroll down, scroll down, scroll down. The last instance, last, this one? Yeah. Type 1, 2, 3. Call 1, 3, great. Just type 1. Delete 2 and 3.
Oh, I don't have that edge.
No, you have it,
Yeah, that's it. That's it, okay. We have the third participant. Can you get me a present, please? Okay. Yeah, just one. Thank you for, David, thank you for participating. It was great. Thanks once again. This is for you. Okay, give an applause for David, please. Cool. Are we good on Zoom? Okay. We are gonna stop sharing the screen now. We are gonna join the new Zoom link. Okay. Just 1 minute to set up environment for the next challenge. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Just please end Zoom call, a new one. Yeah, and send them the URL. Cool. Was it fun? Was it intense? Yeah? Okay. Are you going to stick with the hard hat for the next challenge, or are you going to use remix?
I think I'm going to probably start in hard hat and then validate in remix.
Oh. That's a good tactic. So he's going to code everything in hard hat and just copy-paste to remix for quick validation. Cool. Loved it. Love it.
This is not how I code at all.
Okay, yeah. I know. Again, we're looking for the fastest working solution. Don't worry. Okay, you should be able to receive the invitation. Just quickly allow them, to share multiple screens. Okay. Cool. Are we all in? We're waiting for Juan. Yeah.
I don't have a new...
It's in Telegram?
Oh, that's why. I was in Slack.
No worries. Mind if we start with the challenge until you joined?
No, go ahead. I know we're pressed for time. Go ahead.
Yeah. Yeah, of course. Can we see the challenge number 2, please? Okay. Challenge number 2. Create a rock, paper, scissors game in Solidity. Your function should accept 2 parameters. Player's 1 input, which is rock, paper, or scissors, and player's 2 input, which is rock, paper, or scissors, and return the game results. Player 1 wins, player 2 wins, tie. You must consider the bad inputs. Do you know the rules of the rock, paper, scissors game? Rock is stronger than paper. No, paper is stronger than rock. Rock is stronger than scissors, and scissors are stronger than paper. Okay? don't worry if you don't get it right. Just consider the bad inputs, please. Yes.
Well, the input is a string, or
The input is whatever you want to be. Whatever is easier for you. You in? You in?
Yeah.
Share your screen. Are we all set? Yeah. Ready? Set. Go. Okay, so they are gonna create a rock paper scissors game in Solidity. Their one function only, needs to accept two parameters, players 1 input and players 2 input. So let's say that player 1 input is rock, player 2 input is scissors. The function needs to return that player 1 wins, because rock is greater than scissors. But if they enter lizard or Spock, for the fans of the Big Bang Theory, the function needs to return error. So the input value and the input data type, it's totally up to them. Okay, so it can be string, it can be number, boolean, address, whatever. Whatever it's easiest for them to handle that edge case when someone enters some invalid value, like lizard, Spock. Okay, so we are currently looking at Sandeep's screen, I think. Yep, that's Sandeep. So he switched to Remix as well. He has his function called game. He's accepting two strings. And yeah, the rest of one is just the previous challenge. Good, really good, really good. Okay.
Go to me, I'm actually doing stuff.
Okay. Go to, yeah. Okay, let's see. So there's a required statement. He's also using strings as well. So he's validating the string values. And yeah, did not pass. Okay. So what he does is basically he's comparing all of these input strings with the hard-coded strings called rock, paper, and scissors. Again, you can use whatever data type you want. It doesn't necessarily need to be string, because maybe some other data type is more efficient for validating inputs, let's say like that. No worries. Okay, so he's fast. You can see that he is fast. He has some local variables. He wants to pick to the next contestant from time to time. That's okay. 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 Whatever you want, just to win. Yeah, I like the spirit. Okay. Cool. Yeah, he's analyzing his contest. Okay. Okay, that's the spirit. Okay.
What must it return
The winner, yeah.
which player, right?
Yeah, which player wins. No worries. No worries, no worries, no worries. So we have some trouble connection, but I'm here. So only participants, sorry, you at the moment cannot see his screen, but we can see the rest of ones, and I will validate the solutions. No worries. Okay, we're at one screen. He has tactics, that's okay. And now let's go quickly to Sandeep. Okay, so he has some local variables as well. He is comparing them in the if statement. And he also has a revert statement as well if the input is not valid. Cool? So the problem is how you're going to compare strings in Solidity. So in Solidity, you cannot compare strings using equal operator. Is that correct? Okay. Okay, okay. So maybe some other data type can be more efficient, or you can use ABI.encode and compare hashes of the strings. So this is the way to compare hashes of the strings. So that's maybe an extra step that can be avoided using just different data type. He's speaking again. Whatever it takes, man, whatever it takes. Okay, so we are currently still at Sandeep's screen. He deleted his string variables, okay. he is using uint right now. So unsigned integers are good because you can compare them using regular operators. But question for you from the audience. When you are using enum type, what's that type is, what's the primitive type behind the enum? Yeah? Unsigned integer, yes. So unsigned 8, okay, because it's like a tiny one. So when you're using enum, you can compare like named type, you know, like options.scissors, but in the back is going to be just simple numbers. So that's maybe easier than to compare strings with ab.encode, whatever, to compare hashes. But it's totally up to them what solution are they going to use. Okay. So one is coding. Let's see, if, else if, okay.
Do we have to spell scissors right?
No,
Okay.
can be S if you want, doesn't matter. Okay, I see some compiling over there. Yep. Quickly see. So you cannot see his screen because of the connectivity problem, but I'm gonna quickly check it. No worries, no worries. Don't worry about that.
Yeah,
Logic looks okay. We maybe have a winner. Slow down.
yeah, it's just a bunch of LC.
No, no. Do I need? Can I test it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, let me just test it here.
Yeah. Should be tie. Okay. Switch to 2. 1, 2. Player 1.
Yeah.
So that's rock against scissor. That's it. Okay. He got it. Congrats. He advanced to final. So he used enum types. He had enum like, what's the name of the enum? Sorry. Player move, and he compared player move.rock, player move.scissors, player move.paper. And the thing is that you cannot enter nothing but rock, paper, scissors. There's no way to enter lizard, Spock, whatever. So you advance to final. We have a really intense situation over here.
Can you put the rules up?
Can you put the rule slide, please? Yeah. Yeah, look like you got it. Looks like we have finalists. Okay, for the final, we are going to use challenge number 4. Okay, the bonus one, because we're short on time. Okay, yeah. So we're a bit short on time. So we'll see for the final. If we run out of time, we're going to figure something out. But we have a bonus challenge, which is super easy, super easy. So it's going to be just about speed time peak.
And my internet connection is out for some.
Internet connection. Okay. No worries about it. Yeah, no worries. Okay, so this is the challenge. Sandeep is validating his inputs. Looks like he got it. You have an extra bracket over there. Yeah. Okay.
I'm done.
Done? Looks like he's done. Let's see Juan's screen really quick. Okay, go to remix, compile it. Yeah, compile. Is there an error?
That's
Delete console, please.
Oh, could you put the rules
So it's return, not returns, and you have you need a operator at the end.
Semicolon.
Semicolon, yeah.
Yeah,
Sorry.
otherwise I'm done.
Okay. Looks like Sandeep is done because Juan has some compile time errors. This is intense. Let's see Sandeep's screen really quickly. Semicolon, semicolon, semicolon. It's return. Typo. Return, save it. Typo one more time. That's it, I guess. Go upstairs, please. Go. Scroll. There's an error, maybe? No?
Do enums have to be capitalized?
It's up to you.
Semicolon.
Okay. Who's gonna win this? Some compile errors.
Expected primary expression, context, solution, class, Oh.
Yeah? One screen. Maybe this was gonna be the last challenge for the day, we'll see. Okay. Valid tactic, okay. Juan is trying to win. That's good. So we're seeing his screen right now. Is there game? Bad input for P1. Okay, so both of them are done. So they have tiny compile errors, which they're trying to figure it out. All of them are like syntax-wise from what I can see because of the speed. We only have 2 minutes left, guys. 2 minutes left. Okay, little teamwork over there. Love it. Okay. Juan is finishing. Sandeep is done. He's testing his solution. Sandeep is done. Yeah. Congrats. And his laptop died because battery ran out, right? Okay. I think we need to finish now because he cannot compete. Thank you very much. Sorry. Stop by. This is for you. Okay, because we have only 1 minute left. I think it's fair to announce the winner, because the winner of the first 2 rounds was Cinnabite 1, 2, 3. It's 3 to 1? Yeah. It's 3 to 1, sorry. Cinnabite 3 to 1. Congrats, man. Congrats. Thank you very much for participating. Sandeep, great player, great skills. This is for you. Congrats once again. This is for you. This is for you. And also, we have a grand prize. So, Chainlink Hackathon branding for our winner. Congrats, man.
Thank you very much.
Once again, applause for this, man. Thank you very much for joining. Also, for the online participants, I hope you had fun today with our coding Solidity Stars. Thank you.